Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm sure you saw the thumbnail, you know, it is another Louis Vuitton unboxing. Now originally I wanted to wait until a little bit closer to Christmas to unbox this. I had a couple of other videos planned, but something came up and it was needed early. And by that I mean, this technically is not 100% mine. So my friend and I decided to split this purchase, and actually I would say the majority of this item is hers. 2/3 of it is hers, which might kind of tell you what it is. But anyways, so yeah, and basically what happened is we had some plans. We're doing a girls' night, this friend of mine, we're meeting some other friends and we're doing a girls' night, and this would be the perfect item to use for tomorrow. So I was like, I'll just go ahead and unbox it, film it so I can give it to you, or give you at least your portion. And then I also have, not from Samorga, the inserts for this item. So I'm just gonna jump right in. So hopefully this video isn't too long. But yeah, this is the item. We got the receipt, I think a little business card, or maybe this is the business card. Anyways, okay, so we are going to unbox. Now honestly, sharing designer purchases is fun because you don't have to pay for it all by yourself, and then you and your friend, or you and your sister, or whoever, you're both excited. So here is the item. This never gets old. Love unboxing, especially Louis Vuitton. All right, and we got the Kirigami set. So yes, this is the Kirigami set, and I'm sure most of you know there's 3 pieces. So this is the first piece, the large one, and I do have measurements. I'll go over those in a sec. This is the medium pouch, and then inside is a little baby pouch. And this is actually the portion that's mine. Yeah, so she is getting, like I said, she's getting the majority of it. These are both for her. And then I am keeping, let me just have our little sticker and the tag. But yeah, so this is my portion. So let me give you the measurements just in case anybody is wondering, like, how big are these? So this is all in centimeters. This one is 10 by 7. So yeah, it's got to be like 10 by 7 centimeters. The medium is 15.5 by 11.5. So again, I'm assuming 15.5 by 11.5. And the large one is 23 by 16.5. So those are the sizes. And these are entirely canvas pieces. So it's canvas, and it looks like, honestly, it's just one piece of canvas folded together, which I think is the whole point of Kirigami. So yeah, just one piece of canvas, and there is a little button closure right there. So it kind of just snaps, whoops, into place. And yeah, you get 3. The price is $745, I want to say. Yeah, $745 for all 3, which honestly I feel like is a major steal, and that was a huge reason why we decided to just like jump on it. We were like, wow, I mean, the price is just gonna go up from there, so let's just go ahead and get it. My friend wanted to get this specifically to use as a clutch, and this I'm not sure 100% what she's gonna use it for. For me, and I'll show you guys too, I brought a couple of things just to show you like what could fit, but I plan on using this for gift cards. So yeah, I have a wallet already, a small wallet, and I have a larger wallet, so I didn't really need that. I just wanted to use this to kind of like house my gift cards. I mean, you could put anything in here, but that's what I plan on using it for at the moment. Okay, let's go ahead and get into the inserts. So shocker, it's not from Samorga. Normally my inserts come from Samorga, but this was actually a purchase inspired by I just looked her up so I could tell you guys, and I mess up her name. Handbagholic. Handbagholic. I will link her video down. I'm pretty sure she got this same piece. So my friend and I, when we decided to get the Kirigami set, we started looking at a bunch of YouTube videos just to see like what type of inserts people used. Of course, I know Samorga, and I was like, okay, well that's always a go-to, but I was like, what if there's something else out there that might be a little bit better? And so we watched her video, and this is what she used. So this is by a company called HandbagAngels. These are all tied up in a ribbon together, and then these are the chains in this little pouch. So I am going to untie this. We'll do another little mini unboxing. If I can get this loose. Okay, so, and I will, oh, okay, so this is nice. She actually put extra, how should I do this? Let's do the big one first. So this is the big pouch, and you have two little holes right here, so you can use a chain. And then inside, she also gave another little insert, which is nice. I guess this one goes, yeah, it does, because the color. So this one goes with this one. And then she also has her like little emblem HandbagAngels on each piece. So that's nice. So you can use this for anything. A wallet, or, you know, hair ties, bobby pins, lip gloss, whatever. And then the actual insert itself also comes with a pocket. So you can definitely kind of stay organized. And we'll see how this fits. I'm just going to, oh, perfect. Slide that in. So that's how that fits there. And then I'll just kind of slide that inside there. So that's about how much room it takes up. Okay, so the next one, same thing. She has her little emblem here. And then there's another insert. And then same, it has two little holes so you can put a chain, and then there is a pocket in here as well. So for this one, honestly, I feel like if you use this insert inside here, you're gonna take up like all the space. So I probably wouldn't, but you could always throw this into a bigger purse. Maybe even use this as a second insert for this one. But let's go ahead and slide. I'm gonna slide this one in here. So lovely, fits perfectly, matches my nails, very pretty. Okay, and then the last one, this is cute. Okay, so it comes with one little hole here, and mine does not come, obviously, with another pocket inside of a pocket, but it is this cute, pretty like burgundy, purpley pink color. And it's nice because they tried to match the color of the insert with the interior of the Kirigami. So same thing, you just slide that in there, and then yeah, just fits right in there perfectly. Okay, so now for the chains. Okay, so starting with the smallest one, and this is for mine. The way this works, so it has two ends right here, and you just clip one. I just took it out just so I could do it really fast. You clip one there, and then I think this is for, like, you can put it on like a hook, but I'm going to take out my gift cards. This is what I use to hold them. It's actually a Sephora little case. It's actually kind of pretty. I don't think it's real leather, but it's just this little holder that Sephora used for their holiday gift cards last year, I think. So I have two gift cards here, and I am just going to slide. I'm gonna see if they fit. Hold on. No! Okay, well, it's good that I'm trying this. So this doesn't fit, you guys. I mean, it fits this way, but then you're not gonna be able to close it. So yeah, this little holder. So when I actually line it up, you can see here that the gift card is definitely larger than the actual insert, which is kind of a bummer. I still think you could use the insert and you might just have to slide the gift cards behind, but I don't know if I'm actually gonna do that. So for now, I'm just gonna use it like this. And yeah, I'm just not gonna worry about it. That was a little bit of a fail though, but now you guys know if you were planning on using this, because I know a lot of people do like to use this as like a little wallet for, you know, credit cards, debit card, your ID. And so yeah, if you do get this little set, unfortunately the cards will not fit into this. So kind of a bummer, but whatever, not the end of the world. I still love it. I think it's really cute. Okay, so now the last chain, and this is really pretty, nice size. I can't remember the actual size, but I will link the one that we got down below in the description box. So that way you guys can like open it up in Etsy and see what size chain this is, like what the drop length is. But yeah, so this chain will fit on this guy. It'll also fit on this guy. I will try it on the big one. That way we can kind of see what it looks like. Okay, so I have the chain on the holder, and I did grab a couple of items just out of my purse just to kind of show you guys what might be able to fit. I actually do not have a card holder. Like, who doesn't have a card holder? That's insane. Yeah, I just don't have one. And I want the YSL one, and the price just went up, which stinks. But I have this guy. Oh, actually, let's use this as a card holder. This will work as a card holder. And this is the 6 key holder, which I feel like a lot of people might have. I mean, it's reasonable to think you might have your keys. So I am going to, let's see how. I'm just gonna slide this in like that, right there. And then this little pretend card holder, I think I'm gonna put this in that little pocket right there. And then I just purchased this phone. I think it's the 14 XS Max, I wanna say. Actually, my phone broke on vacation. On my birthday, I dropped my phone and it shattered, and we went to Apple the next day and they're like, it's not worth fixing. So I just bought a new one. Okay, so how would I fit this in? Let's put this in. Actually, let's take out this guy, and I'm gonna slide this in there. So still have a good amount of room, I think. Decent. The phone is kind of taking up a lot of room. Actually, you know what? Let's take out the phone because I want to see what can fit in there without the phone. So we're gonna put this guy back in there. So that's in there. And then I have this mirror that I'm going to slide in there. And then what else? And then the lip gloss that I'm wearing, I am just going to stand that up on the end right over here. And let's see what else. I also have a mask. Let's fold this guy up a little bit. So I think I'll slide this right there by the lip gloss. And then I have a hair tie. We'll just put that in there. I think that's pretty much it. I mean, I have, let's try to put the phone back. Okay, let me see. I feel like I can get this phone in. Oh yeah, perfect. How nice. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. And I love watching videos like this where people are like, what's in my bag? I need to do more of these. Okay, so you guys can see that is everything. So we have a phone, we have the card case, a lip gloss, a mirror, a mask, and your keys on this side. Is there anything else? I think that's pretty much it. Let's let that be it. Okay, so now all of that is in here. And we also don't want it to bulge, because that's the biggest thing. The canvas is like real like pliable and stretchy, but you don't want it to like bulge. Okay, so this is what it looks like from the front. And then if you Lean it over. You can see everything inside fits very nicely. And now we are going to try to close it. Perfect. This is so pretty. Okay, checking the sides. Perfect. I think this is the perfect amount. The back is nice and smooth. And then the front, it looks pretty. And then the sides, I don't want my hands to cover it, but hopefully you guys can see. Right, yeah, there you go. The sides right here is still flat. Right here is, I mean, it's round, but that's to be expected if you put anything in there, I believe. But like this side is really nice and flat. Same on this side. I feel like this is the perfect amount. And this chain looks beautiful with it. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. My friend is going to love this. This is gorgeous. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I think these purchases were definitely a hit. I mean, it is a little bit of a bummer that I can't use this cute little guy with this. I mean, I can, but not for what I wanted to use it for. But I mean, I still think this is a really good deal, especially with all the inserts that she gives you, because you don't have to just use it for the Kirigami set. You can use these for any bags that you have. So that's really nice. And you get the bags, the chains, everything like all in one package, which is pretty convenient. So yeah. Anyways, I will link everything below. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.